Okay, so the object I'm choosing to measure out is a basketball, and since I don't have a flexible tape measurement, I will use this one and bend it around the basketball, and I got 31, which would be the diameter. Now what I'm gonna be doing is dividing the 31 into 2 with my calculator, and I get 15.5. That would be the radius. Now in order to measure the perimeter, I will be using the formula of 2 times pi times radius. And for the area, I will be using 4 times radius times r squared. And for the volume of the sphere, I will be using 4/3 times times pi times radius cubed. So now with my calculator, I will be measuring the perimeter, area, and volume with the equations I previously mentioned. And the results I got for perimeter were 97.34. For the area were 3017.54 centimeters, obviously. And for the volume, I got 15590.62 cm.
So this is the object that I chose. It's a picture frame, and then I measured all of the sides, and I got that the width is 2 centimeters, the length 12.7, the height 15.7, and then I got the perimeter and I multiplied the height times 2 plus the length times 2, and it gave me a total of 56.8. Then I got the area and I multiplied the length times the width, and it was 25.4 centimeters squared. And finally for the volume, I multiplied the length times the width times the height, and it gave me a final result of 398.78 centimeters cubic.
Hi, the object that I am measuring is a book. The measurements of this book are height 19 centimeters, length 12.5 centimeters, and finally width. Once you see height, length, and the 1 centimeter of width. The perimeter of the book is 63 centimeters. The area is 237.5 centimeters square, and the volume is 237.5 centimeters cube. It is because the width of the book is 1 centimeter, and 1 multiplied by 237.5 centimeters is just the same, but in cube numbers. Thank you.
Okay, so to know the perimeter of this object, first we're needing to know the diameter, which is 16 centimeters. So we divide that by 2 and we have 8, that is the radius. So to know the perimeter, we have to do pi times 2 times the radius, that is 8, and we have as result 50.24. Alright, so for the area of this object, we are using the same values, but the operation we're using is pi times 2 times radius multiplied by itself, that is 8 times 8, that is 64, and as result we have 401.92. So the last thing we're going to have to do is to know the volume of this object, and for that we're going to need to know the height. So I'm going to measure it, and as result it is 19 centimeters. So the operation we have to do to know the volume is P times radius by itself, that is 64 times the height that is 19, and the result we got 3,818.24.